Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix problem when you cannot turn on or turn off your TDK speaker. Okay, so take a look. We have to focus on this button. When I click power button or when I click and hold it, unfortunately this device is not working. So how to fix it? You have to rotate like that on the right side and you will find this cover, silicone cover that you have to open. And then right here we can find the turn on and turn off button. So turn it on and take a look right now. Click once on the power button and the device will be activated. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.